Hello everyone, this is Carlos Pink and I'm here with another video. I wanted to do a what's in my backpack. So I recently did a what's in my Juicy Couture backpack, but now I switched my backpack, so I'm in love with it. And I guess it's gonna be like a Boujee on a budget video. Excuse my awkwardness, whatever. Okay. So this is the backpack that I've been wearing recently. It's the Palm Springs LV dupe. It's a dupe, it's a replica, but I'm okay with it. I like it, and you know, whatever, right? It looks like it's the same. I mean, I just seen the pictures of the real one, so I haven't owned a real one, so I wouldn't know. But it's still pretty good for me. I like it, it looks like it, and whatever, you know. Okay, so, I know there's websites where they sell the replicas and everything. I bought this off like a secondhand, online, the Mercari app. So I wouldn't know what website. I know the DH Gate, but I wouldn't promise you anything. Anyways, let's get on to it. So when I got it, I was kind of a little bit disappointed because when they say mini, it's like mini. Okay, I thought it was like a regular, like, you know, size, but it's like mini. Okay, so look at it. It's like my hand could cover this whole backpack. So I was kind of like, you know, I don't think I'm gonna use it because it's like too small. But now using it, I'm like, it fits a lot of things, so that's a good thing. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna show it to you. You know, so it's like the size of my head probably. I put this little keychain here that I got from the Wish app, and then a pom-pom. From the back, it also has like how it looks, like the real one kinda. I did change the straps. I got the straps off another backpack that I had because the strap that it came with, it was like way too long. Like the backpack would probably fit like way to my butt, so I was like, no. Okay, so yeah, so I like my straps to be more tight. Okay, so let's get on to it. And it looks like the real one actually. Like it has this little thing. And I know a lot of people say like, oh, I don't know why it has this thing, but I think it's like when you set it down, it like keeps your backpack from like falling. You know how some backpacks like go forward, and this one will like stay like that. You see? So that's a good thing. And let me just show it to you first. The outside, the straps. Okay, so I'm gonna open it now. So I have a whole bunch of things in there, like a whole lot. So we're gonna go little by little, right? So I haven't cleaned it, so you're gonna see whatever it is that I have there. So I have this little one, this little mini wallet, or what is that, like a card holder. And I just have like different stuff there. I put money there too, and it's just like a little thing, you see. So this is cute, and I like it because it kind of goes with it. This I guess is a dupe also of a LV thing. I don't know the names of them. Then I have my mask. This is my mask that I wear all the time. My mini LV mask, and it gets dirty off of makeup and stuff, but I do wash it and everything, so you know. So then I have a receipt. Here is a Mi Ranchito receipt from the last time I was there. Then I have my AirPods. These are the first generation AirPods. You know, they're super cute. They're super cute. It's also like it's a dupe also. Obviously it's not the real deal, but I like it, so as long as I like it, then it's good, right? So next I have my keys here, which they also have the little mini, you know, my hand sanitizer thing. I just have one key for my car. And yeah, and this one I actually took this off from like it was like a lanyard thing, but I didn't like it as a lanyard, so I took it off from there and put it in my keys. So this is like way better now. And I have the 1,000 wishes, if you're wondering. Okay, so I like things that match. I know the colors, those colors don't match, but they match with the whole LV thing. So yeah. Next I have my glasses, and these are my Juicy Couture glasses. I do need glasses for when I drive, or pretty much all the time. I just don't wear them that often, but I should be wearing them like all the time. But yeah. Can you focus, you think? Okay, it doesn't want to focus, but you see. So that's that, and it goes in this little case. Next, I have some Advil or ibuprofen, because I get a lot of headaches, and you never know when you need one. So I have my charger here too, you know, so can you see? And in this little back pocket right here, I keep like my tampons and, you know, girl stuff here. You know, tampons. What else? My little workbench. More tampons. Okay, so let's continue on to what's here. We have Superstay powder foundation, and I like this because I'm a mom, so I don't always have time to put makeup on and everything. So this is like a lifesaver. You just like throw it on, you're good to go. Obviously you have to be like reapplying it, because like it won't stay on, but you know, it does the job. Next is my little LV pouch, and it's also a replica, you know, but it's still cute. So here I just keep, you know, some like $1 bills if you need, like, you know, to buy like a water, buy chips or whatever, you know, whatnot. You have coins there, just like if you need like a little bit, you know. Then I have another mask here, also LV. more receipts from, like, this is what, the Dollar Tree. I went to the Dollar Tree the other day and bought some of the decorations. You know, the little fake plants back there. They're not all fake. That one back there is like a real plant. Anyways. Then I have a lock that I use for work. You know, because now it's crazy nowadays, you know, so, yep. Alright, so what's next? I have 2 lipsticks that I rarely, well, I really like these, but I just rarely use them now with the whole wearing a mask thing. You know, I have the Fabulous Fig here. And I love red colors. Like red lipsticks are like my thing. This one's in Show Off from Revlon. They're both from Revlon, so, you know. So that's that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I have this one, which is like a little taser. You never know when you need it, but yeah. Anyways, let's just leave it at that, right? So there it is. It's empty. From this little pocket here, I know a lot of people say, oh, the little front pocket is like useless, and it kind of is. It is and it's not, because you can still put something in there. Okay, so this one, I put a little lipstick there, you know, whenever you need a little touch up. Some Lumify for your eyes. My eyes tend to get red a lot. And I think it's because of the glasses. Since I don't wear them that much, my eyes get irritated. And then I have a lip balm. And that's it. That's all I keep in that little front pocket. It is kind of hard to put your hand in there, but it's still useful for something, you know. Yeah. So it is a replica, so keep in mind it's not gonna be like the same one, exactly the same, but you know, it does the job. I like it, and yeah. So let's put everything back on. My mask, LV mask. My little pouch. My other little card holder thing. My AirPods. My keys. My feminine stuff. Lipstick. Powder. The lock. Little badge thing. My glasses. My pills, Advil, whatever, and that's it. I didn't put the glasses on right now because I need to organize it in order for it to all fit. But yeah, you see. So you have to like have it all organized in order for everything to fit. If I try to put this right here, obviously it won't close. But if you like organize it correctly, then it'll obviously fit. And then sometimes I, you know, put my phone there. Like that. Like that. Jesus. No. yeah, so I really like it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, thumbs it up. Yep. All right, thank you. Bye, guys.